Hey everyone, welcome back to Cracking the Fang Interviews. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic, which is how do you craft your resume, right? What's your best bet to land your dream job at Fang companies or even any tech companies? Let's just forget Fang. How do you put your best foot forward is what I want to help you with today. And I'm coming with years and years of experience. I've been reviewing resumes for 10 years. Something I want to start off with is, as a hiring manager or even an engineer on a team or even a recruiter, one only spends like 10 to 15 seconds to do an initial review of a resume. So if within this 10 to 15 seconds you have convinced me that you have the right background, I'm going to spend more time look into more details, but if not, I'm going to move on to the next resume. Again, let's note, for any job, right, there's going to be hundreds of applicants. How do you separate yourself, right? How do you put yourself on top of that stack is what we want to focus on. And it can be done. Let me tell you, if you focus on the right things, design your resume in the right way, it gives the best impression and the highest chance for you to get a interview call and land up with your dream job. So please spend time on this step. This is step zero. This is absolutely the first thing you should do before you're applying for jobs. It tells you where you are at, where you need to be. And this is how people identify if they want to even interview you or not, or give you a phone call or not. All right, so let's focus on how do you do this, right? And I have a simple format template here. I like to keep things extremely simple. My recommendation is: step one, look at the job ID. Look at the job description, see what the job is about. Why are you interested, right? Why are you interested in that job? I'll give you an example. If you're looking at a AIML job or a STE job, see what kind of a profile is it. Is it more around, say, cloud software development, or AIML can be more around computer vision or NLP. Pick your focus areas, right? And this should land up in your mission statement. You should be very clear in saying, what is your mission? Are you trying to what are you excited about, right? An example of this could be, I want to build cool applications with computer vision that help everyday life, right? You use these cool applications, you use an iPhone, you use the cameras. So just write out that vision statement. It should be just one line. That's it. The next thing you should have on your resume is your qualifications. And when you highlight your qualifications, people are less interested in what courses you took, but sort of an over all generalized area of expertise, right? If you say, I did my bachelor's, and my specialization was operating systems, for example, or computer vision or natural language processing. So try to send another message here that will help uh, get your resume picked in those initial 10 to 15 seconds. Work experience is the next section. This is extremely important. um, just list out your work experience. Say, where have you been? And there's a very important thing here, as to how do you convey what you've done in your work experience. I'm going to talk about it in a bit. So what I'm looking for here is, for work experience, you should always talk impact first. That's the strategy you're going to follow. So this could be in the form of, if you've worked on a software engineering project, you say performance improved by X% by doing something right on a project, or you've reduced the size of an application, or if you've increased throughput. If you're an AI/ML person or a data science person, you could talk about prediction accuracy or model metrics like F1 scores. So work experience is extremely important, and be impact first. This is the section that tells an interviewer, you are problem oriented, you are an engineer who can solve problems. So focus on this. Getting this right is key to success. And last but not the least, talk about your open source project. Share your GitHub portfolio, right? Share your publications, patents, or even community contributions, as a matter of fact. And this is sort of freestyle. It will differ for every individual, but you should talk about these things because this shows your broader contributions to the society or the community, and so on. If you've mentored somebody, you can list that here as well. And again, one thing to note is all of this should be within one page. You can fit it all. You don't have to go 5 or 6 pages of your resume. I have seen resumes which are 2 pages as well, which is okay. But I highly suggest you try to think about how to fit things in one page. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And smash the subscribe and like button. We need your support to keep delivering this awesome and unique content to make you successful, land your dream job. Thank you so much for watching yet another video. See you in the next one.